Collabwriting is a super useful tool when it comes to explore your research topic, delve deeper, finding initial research, just reading up on a field to really get to know the research and the nuances of a research field. Open in front of me is my Collabwriting workspace. I've changed the name to My Happy Place, and the amazing thing is you can share this workspace with somebody else if you are working on a project together, or you can just share some of your topic clusters with someone else if you just want to work on certain topics with someone else. So that's great to find research together and to build research on a topic. Now, open here on the left, you'll see different options. I'm on the Personal Pro plan at the moment. It's very useful. There's a PDF viewer. I'll show you how it works soon. And then there's a Copilot, and I'll also show you how that works. And then you can create a topic cluster. And a topic cluster is just a cluster of topics. You can have your individual topics. You can drag them into the right cluster. It's really the organization and this workspace really works well. When you are ready to explore a new topic area, I would suggest that you first create a topic cluster and decide which topics you're going to explore. Then start off with the Copilot. Type in your question. What is the prevalence of cricket injury in cricket? And see what it gives you. And here it comes up with all the little snippets. This is just a good place to start, to get to know the field, read up on the different studies. And here you can say find more snippets if you wanted to extract some more. Always a good idea to just get some more snippets. Or when you're ready, you can save the research topic. Now here it takes it under what is the prevalence of injury in cricket, but we already have a cricket injury prevalence topic here. This is a good place to go through all of these and decide which one of these are relevant to your topic and drag and drop them under the heading. And you go through all of these and see what you find. You find something that is interesting and something that you may want to find the original paper and read up on further. Just drag and drop it underneath your topic. If we go here, see all the little snippets that we've added under our topic. And this is now a good place to go in, make your comments, and you may want to say, find full paper, look at prevalence calculation. You can leave your comments underneath each of them, or you can click locate, which will mean it will find the full paper. And from here, you can add more snippets. Now that I've collected quite a few snippets, I read up on them, I created some comments around them, I can then go to a few specific articles where I would like to gain a bit more insight and create a few additional snippets. Now this is a web page of a scientific research article open in front of me, and I have installed the Collabwriting Chrome extension. That means if I find a snippet that's really useful to me and I highlight it, I can save it to Collabwriting. And here you'll find I've installed it, the little Collabwriting snippet is there. I've opened this sidebar, and here it says it's my snippet that I highlighted, and I want to state create. Now this is going to save it under the research capacity, because that was the last one I've used. So do remember to just change it to body areas. Let's see if I save something else here. And here we go. And we say create. Now, if we go back to our Collabwriting workspace and I go to body areas injured, I'm going to find my snippets right there. But I also have some snippets under research capacity, which I now have to move because I saved them under the wrong place. But look how easy this is. Quick and easy. You now located new research using the Copilot. You also added your snippets by going outside of the Collabwriting workspace and finding some snippets from research articles in the world out there. And there's another way to add some more information. And here you can paste the URL of a PDF, or you can upload a PDF. I have just uploaded a PDF. This is a cricket article on shoulder injuries. Let's say we want to highlight one of these snippets. You can also go to the other pages. Maybe definition of injury sounds like a very good one. You can highlight that and it brings it up here. And again, you can say, choose under which topic you want to save it. And then you can say create. And when you go back to the full workspace, you'll find it under your topic area, your topic cluster under your topic. So there's 3 ways to add to these snippets: from inside the Collabwriting space using the Copilot, going outside and finding all kinds of snippets, or uploading your own PDFs and creating snippets from your own PDFs. And you know what's the nice thing is that you can always locate the full article again, and you can read up on it again, and you'll have the full information right there at your fingertips. Enjoy this. It's a lovely tool that can really make your life much easier.
If you found this video helpful, smash the like button. For more useful tips to boost your research experience, subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. And while you're at it, hit the bell so that you get notified whenever I produce a new video. If you need a solution to a challenge not yet covered on my channel, leave a comment in the box below. See you in the next video.